Welcome to Ambabas Creations. In this video, we will explore how to use an I2C LCD display with Arduino, including what is I2C is, how SDA and SCL work, and how to find your LCD I2C address. I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. It is a communication protocol that allows multiple devices to communicate using just two wires. One is SDA and SCL. SDA stands for Serial Data Line. It carries the data. SCL stands for Serial Clock Line. It provides the timing signal. In an I2C setup, the Arduino acts as the master and devices like LCD is a slave. We will need in this project Arduino UNO I2C LCD display 16x2, USB cable for uploading the code, some jumper wires for power supply and SDA and SCL connections. Connect the LCD to Arduino as follows: SDA and SCL. Will go to Arduino ground. VCC will go to 5V Arduino pin. SDA will go to A4. SCL is go to Arduino A5.
Amazing!
Go to Arduino IDE. Before uploading main code, we need to check the I2C display address. Select board. Compile the sketch. Upload to Arduino. Active serial monitor. I2C address is found. We can see here I2C device found. The address is goes to 0x27. This we have to use in main program. Before writing main code, we have to add the address of the LCD. Here this is 0x27. We have to add 16 into before 2, replacing with your address. LCD display address we have to mention here. And first you have to add the library. Go to sketch, include library, manage libraries. Here we need to search liquid crystal I2C. We have to install the library. Now it is installed. This code upload to Arduino. First of all, we have to check any error before compiling. Compile the code. upload to Arduino. If your LCD is not showing properly, then we have to adjust the contrast part, resistance part. Here I will show you how adjust the display appearance. See, now it adjusted. This is the output of our project. If your LCD does not show anything, check the I2C address used shown in this video. Ensure SDA SCL are connected properly to the Arduino. Confirm the library is installed or not. That's it. We have successfully built an I2C LCD display project using Arduino. This setup is great for displaying sensor data, menus and system status in your future projects. If you enjoyed with this video, please like, subscribe and share for more electronic content. See you in the next video.